Next, we are going to look at if we are given an equation. And when we are given an equation for an arithmetic sequence, all we're having to do is look at which term we would like and then plugging it in. And so which term we would like, we have a sub n. That is telling us which term we want, n being the term that we need. So all we would do is whatever that little number is for n is plug that in. So if we look at our first example, or for term 1, it says a sub 1. So that means our n is equal to 1. We're looking for the first term. So in our equation, we have -3 parentheses 1 plus 2. -3 times 1 is -3 plus 2 gives us -1. So a sub 1 is equal to -1. For term 2, our n is equal to 2. We plug it into the same equation, -3 times 2 plus 2. -3 times 2 is -6, plus 2 is -4. So a sub 2 is -4. And then for our third term, our n is 3. -3 times 3 plus 2. -3 times 3 is -9, plus 2 is -7. So a sub 3 is -7. So our first three terms are -1, -4, and -7. We might do this with an x as well. Same thing. Your x or n, whatever your variable is going to be which term you are looking for. Here in our last example, we are looking for the 11th, 12th, and 13th terms. So we're not starting at the very beginning, but that's okay. All we have to do is take whatever the number is and plug it in for n. So we have n is 11, n is going to be 12, and n is going to be 13. We have a new equation. It says 2n minus 5. And so when we plug our numbers in, 2 times n, our first n is 11 minus 5. 2 times 11 is 22, minus 5 gives us 17. So a sub 11, 17. When we are looking for our 12th term, we plug in 12. 2 times 12 minus 5. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 minus 5 gives us 19. So a sub 12 is 19. And then our n turns into 13 minus 5. So 2 times 13 is 26. Minus 5 is 21. So a sub 13, 21. So we have 17, 19, and 21 as our 11th, 12th, and 13th terms.